It's barking. Last time I hand loaded this construction waste, now I'm taking it to the disposal plant. First, the bottom line. Total weight 890 kilograms, 1,960 pounds. Disposal cost 24,805 yen. That's about 170 USD. It's a 40-minute drive, one way. Driving through the city means hitting red lights, wasting precious time. I've arrived, parked the truck, time to fill out the paperwork in the office. Pro tip, I take a photo of the form with my phone, so I don't forget how to write it next time. This saves me from asking the staff the same questions over and over. No filming allowed inside the dumping area, so we skipped that part. Another 40 minutes back, and here we are again. Next job, loading the wood scraps around this concrete pipe. This pile is raw wood, green wood, different from the last batch. The previous load was also wood, but raw wood costs more to dispose of. Here is the price difference. Raw wood, 40 yen per kilogram. Construction waste, 25 yen per kilogram. It adds up. To be honest, this isn't even my trash. It's my father's. I inherited this land, and now I'm cleaning up his mess. My home is 300 kilometers, 186 miles from here. I wanted to clean this up for years, but the distance made it impossible. I can't easily take time off work. I finally managed to get leave to come here and do this. Inheritance is truly a heavy burden. Moving to the center of the lot, loading it up piece by piece. It has taken so much time and money to get this far. It's not perfect yet, but I'm making progress, steadily. My wife always tells me, as long as you move forward even a little, that's enough. Now look at this massive log. It's too heavy. I need to use the excavator for this. Actually, this log appeared in one of my very first YouTube videos. It's the root of a tree that was about to collapse. If you're interested, check out my old videos to see its history. It sat here for a long time. Finally, it's time to say goodbye. I guess I should add sound effects here, make it exciting, but I'm too busy with my real job to do that. Just a raw, unedited video. No sound effects. But this is my reality. This is me. Here, my wife gives me advice. Why not use the excavator to move the wood closer? She's right. I'm grateful for her wisdom. Do you see this rope? It's thick, like a tug-of-war rope from elementary school. Ah, but I remember. I saw ropes like this when my father used to moor his boat. By the way, that boat, I destroyed it. It's in a past video. It feels incomplete, but I'll stop here for today. Thank you for watching. I'm broadcasting this to the world, but my voice doesn't reach far yet. That's why your comment gives me strength.